Gardens is a really fun piece that is very playful, and so I want you to have fun with it and see how bouncy you can make it and energetic, so that you can really have that country gardens feel. So this is combining all the things that we already know. We're starting off with 1, 2, and 3, 4. So watch your bowing, 1, 2, and 3, 4, so that we have full whole bows for those quarter notes and good half bows for the eighth notes. The other thing that we're throwing in here as well is the dotted quarter notes. Make sure that you are holding those fully for a full beat and a half. So you have that da and da. That's the rhythm that they use a few times in this piece. Da and da. So feel that second beat. Da and da. So you can say 1 and 2 and da. So that you can have that that feel, that good second beat in there. We're starting on the third finger on A, on that D. 1, 2, and ready, go.